Hey guys, today we're gonna be walking up on the mountain. Look at that. Wow, that's scary, bro. I feel like I'm gonna drop my phone. I'm gonna go say some more. Time to get up to the steps.
Remember the steps?
Yeah, I remember this.
Okay, do some stretches. Come on, you done something today.
Okay, do some stretches. Time to get up. Do.
Let's go.
Now there's some berries or something.
Yeah.
Oh, they should be poisoned. Sometimes people need to go look at some nature. Hey mum, some people need to look at some nature.
Natives.
No, nature.
Oh, nature. Yeah, nature walks on.
Ooh. Okay, let's get out. I'm gonna go farther. Yeah. We're out. See the sky. Oh, the sun. Oh, wait, am I recording myself?
So when I was
so
little,
nice.
your age,
Yeah?
we used to walk from my house to the intermediate.
Yeah?
And then there was this hill, it looked like kind of like this. And we used to, when I used to wag school,
Wag?
he used to make us huts and stay there for the whole day
That's cool.
because we didn't have phones.
Yeah. Mum.
Yeah.
At school, we do the same thing. We make huts at school. And we go live in them and stuff.
No, we didn't.
But people are getting bored of it and stop doing it. Look at it. And they get to there. Can you say that on camera?
Hey?
Can you say that on camera? No.
Why? I'm grown now. What can they
Nah,
do
okay.
about it?
I know. Oh, it's nothing, you guys. It's not. Believe me, anything. I promise. There you go. I'm going up top of the stairs. Nice nature. Okay, just gonna wait for my mum. Got this. Look.
Should I play some music?
Sure.
I've only got us 9%.
Not the Ephraim music stuff. Anyways, what's this called?
That's a fern.
Fern.
Yeah.
Okay. Music.
Usually I come with my headphones on. But I need to for myself.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, the other day when I come up here,
Yeah?
I was out of breath and I had to stop. I feel like I can carry on going.
I'm a little bit tired too. A little bit. What's this called then?
I don't know what this is.
Comment what this is called. I don't know what that is. If you're from New Zealand or any countries forget.
What is this one? Come on, baby.
Oh shoot, I'm recording. We're walking up now. Shortcut.
This guy just runs.
Took the shortcut. Nice view. Anyways, comment which one's better. TikTok or YouTube. Look, guys. I used to always be my mum. Look, she's beating me now. My mum's beating me now. Taking some more nature walks. Oh, kind of lost stuff. Oh, look, we hit a house-looking place. I've never been up here.
This is called the headquarters.
Headquarters. Puto waki te na tara wera te wa anna anai. My kaparaka. You guys should really search up kaparaka. I said that in one of my old videos. Okay. I don't know if this is going to be the end, but please subscribe and also like this video. And you could go with this video if you want. And if you don't like nature, but look at that view. Woo! Look at it. It looks so cool. Look at those other mountains. They all look blue. They're so far away, that's why. Okay. You guys, I've been all the way up to the top of that mountain. See that little still thing? I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, that little still thing. I think you guys can see it now. Yeah, that's how far I have been. Anyways, I don't know what else to say in this video, and I don't know if we're going down. So, yeah.
This is called.
Oh, this sounds fun. I've never been out of here.
Yeah, this is going downstairs. Downhill.
Alright. Where does this part lead to?
Right back around, but whatever. Okay, breathe through your nose.
Yeah.
Hold. And out.
Nature walks.
Right. Do it 10 times. Get all that good air in. Through your nose. Hold. And breathe out.
Bye 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 bye. No. Okay, try to do something. Some maths that I know that you guys probably don't know, even though I'm only 10 years old. Guys, what's the square root of 54? But you guys wouldn't get that.
54.
Yeah.
22. Oh.
Mum's kissing.
15.
Not even close. No.
20.
You know, the only answer I do know is the square root of lining or lining line. I don't know what it's called. I think it's called like never mind, I forgot. Probably like line or something. I don't know. I forgot how the square roots go. Yeah, to be honest, you guys, I don't even know that myself. But at least I know what a square root is.
What's the square root?
That's like a maths concentration. Wait. I'm gonna run all the way down, you guys, on the side. Whee! Whee! I'm with my mum. Woo! I'm just gonna have to wait. Oh, shoot. Myself. This scratch away from my mum. That took you that long, mum.
And it was Kuro's favourite place to be. There's the
Tarawera.
Tarawera sign right there.
Tarawera sign. Oh, is that a danger thing? Danger sign. Nah, I'm still recording, mum. Let me just get up there. Forest fire danger today. What? Oh my god, that's actually... I should have been low. Nah, just kidding. I would have expected it to be low. I would have never think I would have been forest fire around here. Especially in New Zealand. You guys, do you guys know what that says? We said it in the video, I think. Tarawera. Tarawera. Tarawera Falls. Okay, Tadake.
Now can you see the face?
Hold on. Minus song. This is the minus song ever. Parkour. Oh, more parkour. Whoop. Oh no, guys, we're gonna get one over. No. Guys, I heard the guy's down, so I'm gonna go run down. Is that a warning sign? Look, guys, that water. So cool. Guys, before we go down, I'm gonna try to get up to here. Let's see if I could do it.
I know you mind, my baby.
Nah, it's just because I have my phone. I'm gonna put it away.
Yeah, but the good
See? Told you. Told you, Mum. I know the way up. See, Mum, told you I know the way up. Like right up. And like all the way on top of the top. No. It feels like I'm rock climbing, you guys. I'm rock climbing. With my phone, that's really dangerous.
Yeah, maybe don't. Maybe come back down.
Yeah, I think that's gonna happen.
Just slide down.
I have a feeling I might slide too fast. Okay, yeah, let me just record. Well, I'm gonna take all the sand out of my shoes. Oh, that's quite a lot.
Look at it, it's like we just surrendered, eh?
Yeah, that's feeling if I had the keys. Well, I don't have. No, because I have the keys.
Look how massive that is.
We have a friend called Massive. I have a student in my class that's called Massive.
Has he got curly hair?
Why is that?
I think I know his mum.
Not curly hair.
Is it short?
I don't know. I forgot what he looks like because he's like new.
Oh, might be his. Might be another one. If it's the same massive, he used to come to our house.
Hmm?
He used to come to our house. So they used to go and find some possums and shoot them.
That's no way near what we were doing. We definitely weren't cluing possums. We definitely see a nature walk, not cluing possums with our gun. Mama. Wanna eat some possums?
I used to kill them. That was my job. Just live up the hill, live up the bush and kill possums. Take all the skin, feed the body to we used to go hunting at night time for possums. Shoot them. Or we used to go hunting for deer, but we found any, but we still hit the possums, so we used to just shoot those.
Do you eat them?
No.
Do you allow to eat them? Would you eat them?
I wouldn't recommend, but yeah.
Would you eat them?
Yeah, you could eat them. But you gotta use it. So it's like anything else.
Some of them have like a white disease, eh?
Yeah, tuberculosis. HIV.
You should have the same job. You're really good at it.
I was young, I used to walk up all the ridges, all the hills.
Okay, Mom, you should get like a job that you're good at. You get a job that you're good at, that's something you'll be good at. Like really good at.
I'm really good at looking after people.
Okay. One day you can make a business.
You're right. I like your thoughts. Keep going. Continue.
Yeah, like me, I like building, so that's what my job is gonna be. Not a job I like. Like I like better things than building. But if I do building, it probably gives you more money. And I'm not really good at it.
And you can work on expanding your skills.
Yeah, and Dad will teach me. Then after that, I will have a work day. Then after that, when I finish that and have a lot of money, then after that, you get in your business.
Yeah, qualifications.
Yeah, because you want to get a business that you're good at.
Yeah, and that you're going to like and enjoy, not be something you're not going to like.
But sometimes that's what you're good at, something you don't like.
Yeah. But if you really want to do something and make something of yourself, you've got to be happy. If you see a lot of homeless people and broke people overseas, like India and Native America and all them.
Okay, yeah, I like building.
Like they all share their things.
Yeah.
And they all live together in harmony.
Yeah.
And they don't get money, but they make it work together and they're happy.
Oh, look at that tree.
Almost head downhill.
Hey, a car. Which way the car goes? This way or this way? Okay, I'm going to this side then. Just a footpath. Dirty footpath. Yeah, it's nearly down. I'm gonna go, eh? Okay.
Stay on the footpath.
Guys, we're nearly there. I'm make you guys get to the river. Just found out I wasn't even recording. Had to jump on rocks. Whip. Whoop. Whip. Whip. I'm gonna record this part. Whip. Oh, sharp rock, but whip. 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 Oh no. Whip. 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 I'm not jumping on that one. I could die. Huh? Okay. Whip. Oh, nearly failed. Whip.
Climb.
I'm jumping on that and I'm just gonna walk on it. Jump. Jump. That looks slippery, so I'm just gonna hold to this. Go like that. Guys, I don't know what am I doing.
You got this.
Just got green stuff on the rock, so I have a feeling I might get hurt. See? How I'm slipping. Whip. Whip. I nearly died. No. True that. Guys, let's go look at the ocean. Oh, you guys, the boat's broken. How could it be that broken? Okay, looks like we're gonna have to just look at the top. Woohoo! This walk is so fun. Yep. And look, guys, back to the start. I'm holding my phone with two hands because I'm scared.
Easy, I'll go down there.
Whee! Woo!
Across that bridge.
Woo! Woo! Yep.
Easy, we'll go right across.
Guys, we're nearly at our car. Huh? Oh, look, the way more side here. Holy hell!
It's called the rapids.
Guys, you guys do not know how scared I am. But that looks so fun. I want to jump off there, but if there's rocks in there, yeah, not.
Yeah, there's just the rocks. That's why I like it.
Yeah. Anyways, if there was like rocks out there and I had the tide, I would just jump off. Only if this part was gone, I would have jumped off. I know they were annoying. And it was like deep ass, and I knew that, and I wasn't like that scared. Yeah, I would jump off. Anyway, look you guys how far out of there. Yeah, even if I was scared, I didn't even care. It still looks fun.
It's just jumping off, getting into the water, swimming back up, and then swimming to the side.
Okay. Guys, we're about to cross the...
Well done.
Thanks, Mum. Guys, we're about to cross the finish line. Finish line! Beep. Finally crossed the finish line. Okay. Guys, yeah, I just read them. Anyways, that's the end of the video. And today, yeah. I'll probably post more videos soon because I remember before I wasn't actually posting any videos, but I'm going to start posting videos, I think. Okay, bye guys.